Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video we're going to look at the unboxing and fitting of a top Sellerie Deluxe Comfort lowered gel seat. If this is your first time here and you want to know more about farkling your ride, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. So that was a quick view of the original seat on the FJR. So here's the box. It's quite big and it's a lot heavier than I expected. It's well packed inside, there's a lot of bubble wrap and there's plastic bags around the seat. Interesting, I must admit. That's a bit of a teaser. Let's get rid of the bubble wrap and see what we have. The front seat and the rear seat. Okay, let's have a look at the rear seat first. It's heavy, I can tell you that. It's a lot heavier than the original seat, probably double the weight. It seems to be made of leather. There's a black seat pan underneath. I actually got the top Sellerie seat pan and you can actually see the logo from top Sellerie. So I kept my original seat. There's some nice white piping just around the rear of the seat. It really sets it off quite nicely, along with some stitching. I don't think it's actually white. Okay, let's have a look at the front seat. Again, this is quite heavy as well, and heavy enough that I needed just to put it down there. Lovely, again, it's not white, it's an off-white FJR logo. Again, I've used the top Sellerie seat pan, and you can see the top Sellerie logo underneath. There's also a tag under there, which is a bit of annoyance. You'll find out more about this later, which because it seems to get into the way when you're actually putting the seat on and off, especially the rear seat, not so much the front seat. But it seems well made, it's nice and heavy, it's got a good weight to it. Right, let's put the front seat on. You'll find that it's quite heavy, but it fits in well, there's no problem, it goes on easily and it clips down. There we go, and it feels very nice indeed. Okay, time to try the rear seat as well. Again, I mentioned before, it's quite heavy. You'll find that as you're putting it on, it's actually a little bit difficult at the back. I had a bit of a struggle at the back, and of course you've got this tag which you've got to get out of the way. Just there, that tag there. It is a very, very tight fit, and I do recommend that you put your hand towards the rear of the seat and push down gently at the back, and then you need to pull the front just slightly forward, the front seat, sorry, just slightly forward, and then it'll all just slip in and clip down. It does take a bit of practice to get it down, but it is very nice, it's lovely and soft, and if you're carrying a pillion passenger, they're going to really like it. And everything matches up very nicely indeed. The gel is really good. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon so you're notified of all other videos. Thank you for watching.